Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to remove Insightly from Gmail. All right. So first up, go ahead and log into your Insightly account. Make sure that you log into the correct account where you wanted to delete. Now, the next step would be to go ahead and go to the top right and click on the profile icon. Okay. Just click on it, and in the drop down, just go ahead and select user settings. Click on it. Now, once this one loads, go ahead and go to email accounts right here in the left panel. Okay, click on it, and in here in the list, you should be able to see your Gmail. All right, there'll be a corresponding trash icon. Just click on it and hit on yes, and once done, you're good to go. Now, for example, I wanted to add one just for you to see. All right, just like this. You'll be able to see your email provider, which is Gmail. Click on the trash icon and then hit on OK. And after that, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.